Hi everyone, welcome to passcmfas.online. In this video, I'm going to show you the Save as New function. You could use this function to create snapshots of your quiz progress, including all your submitted answers, your scores, and the time spent so far, and restore it if you want. The snapshot is like a saving point. It is a static record of the progress you make at the very moment you click Save as New. It is something additional, so you can choose not to keep watching if you do not wish to create different snapshots of your quiz progress, or if you do not intend to have more than one quiz saved. This function is especially useful for interrupting a quiz with another quiz while keeping both quiz progresses. Or you can also use it as a stopwatch by setting an alarm and saving the progress every 10 or 30 minutes. Then you get to count the average number of questions you answer every 10 or 30 minutes. Let's talk about how to use it. So, we now have an ongoing quiz. There are 50 questions in total. There are 6 questions answered, 4 correct, 2 wrong. And so far, we spent approximately 3 minutes and 20 something seconds. We want to save it as a new saving point. We need to click the Save as New button on the top right hand corner next to the Save and Close button. Give it a name, say On a Date with a Boring Guy, or Hang in There, Don't Doze Off. Click Save when you are done. A reminder here, if you already have 4 saves and you want to store a new one, your oldest save will be replaced. There will be a warning message reminding you that you have already used all your save slots. Do you want to replace the oldest save? Click Yes if you do, or Cancel to go back. You can save a new saving point multiple times within one quiz. Or you can store a saving point of one quiz attempt and start another quiz attempt. Then restore the first quiz attempt anytime within your valid Pro membership period. Let me show you an example of returning to the previous saving point. So we decided to take a small quiz of questions we just gone through before we move forward with these 50 questions. But we still want to keep these 50 questions quiz. What do? We create a saving point by clicking Save as New, as we have just did. And then we go back to the product page or the quiz page. Click Restart Quiz. Are you sure you want to delete your previous quiz data and start new? Click Yes, reset if you want. Click Cancel if you think that you haven't saved it thoroughly. So we click Yes, reset. 10 questions. Chapter 1. Bookmarked questions. Start quiz. This one will then become our current progress. If we save and close and continue quiz, we will be brought back to this 10 bookmarked question quiz. Do a few quizzes. Or, if we want to keep the second quiz as well, we can also save this quiz as new. Let's name it second branch. So our most recent attempt is now 10 bookmarked question quiz. In the saved quiz page, if you click continue with your most recent attempt, you will have the 10 questions. If you want to restore a saving point, you can go to saved quizzes on the My Account page. Click the orange button that says Use this saving point. We will get a warning message. You may lose your current progress when you load a previous saving point. Are you sure you want to continue? Click Yes, continue if you do. By clicking this button, your current progress will be replaced by this saving point. Remember, when we saved this hang in there, don't doze off, we had 6 questions answered, with 4 correct and 2 wrong. Out of 50 questions, the progress is back, and your most recent progress will be erased and replaced by this saving point. So, please be careful with this function if you have an unfinished quiz. And please make sure you save a new saving point every time you wish to switch between different quizzes. For what happened after you click the Save as New button will not be recorded unless you save a new saving point again. We have also added details of the saving point, such as the score, amount of time spent, and the date we saved this saving point. You can also manually delete a specific saving point.